Good day viewers, welcome to the channel. In this series mastering Microsoft Word, today we're going to talk about how to add and remove tools from the quick access toolbar in just a few clicks. You can add any tool to your quick access toolbar for ease of access. So for example, whenever I want to use the fraction tool, which is used to add fraction to my document, I have to click on the insert, click on equation, or I can use it. But to make things very easy, I'm going to hover on the tool here, then I will right click and then add the tool to the quick access toolbar, as you can see. And here is the tool. Whenever I want to use it, I'll just click on the tool right here, and that's all. And then to remove it, I will right click and then click on the remove, and then I'll click on the option we have here. You can also add other tools from the ribbon by simply right clicking and then adding them to the quick access toolbar. Please, if you find this video very helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe. Thank you.